All right. Hello, my name is Scott, and I am going to show you today a little bit about this Jellycomp. This is a wireless trackpad, as you can see. It is actually quite nice. It looks nice, feels nice, and I have it right here. See, this is it. I'm just going to flip down the monitor for a second here so you can see it closer up. That was a little bit too close. There we go. So this is basically it. Um, I'm just going to tell you a little bit about it and how the first impression was, etc. And then I'm going to go into details about what I believe about it. So honestly, well, unpacking it was not very nice. It came in this white box, pretty boring stuff, and even more boring inside. But oh well, that's how that is. And second, well, the pairing process was really easy. I actually just plugged in the nano receiver, which you can see on this page, I believe. No, not there. Shouldn't it be here? It wasn't. Okay. This is the other version. This is the not the wireless. That was the wired trackpad. So as you can see here, I just put it into the basket. See here, this is the nano receiver, which is actually quite okay. It's fine and it works okay. It's easy to pair. It's well easy to charge everything. I mean that's cool. It has the gestures here, as you can see on this page. It has the gestures here. Fair enough. That's also all right. So I'm just going over and I'm going to begin to use it just a little bit. So I'm going to see if I can get this one there. Okay. So just so I can get a feeling about how this works. Well, see, I bought it for $76.99 and the price for the wired one is $70.99. So it's only $6 of difference, not very much. It says here it's quick and sensitive. In my opinion, I think it's lagging a little bit. As you can see, I'm just going up and down. If I take this one, it goes up and down much better. This one has a little bit of a lag. See, when I go up and down here, it's like it's not as smooth as this one. Okay, well, that's just in my opinion. So I'm just going to pull up a document here for a second. Okay, see, good. Well, first of all, it's glass. It's a glass surface, which is really nice. It has the no drivers needed, which is plug and play basically, which is really nice as well. I love the design. It's minimalistic. It has a good size and has this glass surface. It's robust and it's amazingly easy to pair. So that's just some of the things that I've really come to like. Underneath here, oh shoot, I did something. Just hold on a second. There. Underneath it here, as you can see, it has these rubber pads here. There you go. That makes it anti-slippery, which is really nice as well. Let me just take this one up again. Pull it up again. Here. Well, as I said, to be honest, that's just about it, except for all the cons. And all the cons are outweighing the pros, to be honest, in my opinion. First of all, you don't feel the edges here. So when you do something on this trackpad, I mean, it would be nice if you could feel the edges like going up instead of going down, because you reach them much before that you're actually aware of it. And if you don't look at it when you use it, it's pretty annoying. The next thing is that the battery indicator, which is just right there, I'm just going to turn it off and then turn it on again for you to see it. There you go. See, this is the turning on and off, and this is the pairing button. Charging port, and here you'll see in a moment, you'll just see it flash green, red. It's actually red. But it doesn't tell when you're out of battery. So it just runs out of battery, which is really annoying. And it takes not very much time to charge, so that's all right. But it's a little bit annoying that it doesn't show you, because you can actually not, you can run out of battery and then you don't have your trackpad. So that's annoying. And you need a receiver for it to work, which is, well, not as good as I would have liked it to be. I would have wanted just to have the well, the Bluetooth directly instead of having to run through this receiver. But hey, it works. And then I think that I would like the gestures to be a little bit more complete. All right, this one, it works. It works with the left click and the right click. This is the right click, okay, and this is the left click, as you can see. So that's fair enough. You have the two fingers, which is right click as well. That's fair enough as well. Works. You have the two fingers slide. I'm just going to compare it to what I'm doing here now. See, it's much more responsive on my touchpad. Yeah. And then you have the two finger stretch. In this case, this is zooming and this is zooming out. Then we have the one finger double click. We'll just drag this image. Yeah, that works. Then you have the three finger click open mission center. Yeah, you can't see that because it's on my other monitor. And the four finger, it works as well. It takes a little bit of time, but it works. So basically all of these works in Windows 10. One thing that doesn't work is this. I'm in Google now. I would like to go to the next page because I've been there, but I can't. I can't go back and I can't go forth. But on this one, can't see it right now, so I'll just hold on a second. I'll move my camera a little bit here. Just hold on a second. There. Just going to fix it there. See, if I do like this on this one, it doesn't work. But if I do like this, sorry, I have to go to there. Do like this, you can see it. If you, it doesn't work here. This way. Oh, that works as well. Nice. But on this one, it just doesn't, and you can't. Yeah, well, you can't get it to work. So that's really annoying because I use that quite a lot. So I would really like to be able to do this. Please let me do this, but I can't. Well, anyways, um, well, besides that, it's not as responsive as I said. When scrolling, you can scroll up and then suddenly it will zoom in on something because you have done some settings in the in the standard mouse menu in Windows, and then it's not really nice. It's rather expensive. I mean, I bought a Razer Naga Trinity, which is basically the same price, if not a little less. And then the custom experience, as I said, is not as good. And well, the worst thing I think is that it doesn't have an app to scroll, to change scroll directions, and to actually to do something with this mouse pad. Because I like the idea, but it's just not good enough in my opinion. So to be able to actually change something um, in in the trackpad, for example, I wanted to be able to, when I do like this, it goes down on the page, and I couldn't find any way to in Windows to do that. So I had to do it in the registration editor. I'm just going to flip up the screen for a second. There. I'm going to go into the registration editor for a second. Just hold a second. There, say yes please. And then now you can see what I have on my screen. It's actually very, very deep. As you can see, it's in the local machine, system, current control set, enum, HID, and then this one is the difficult part to find. So to get this part, you actually have to go down and into the device manager, which is here. I'll just pull it over to this screen here. There we go. And then you have to go into mice and other pointing devices and find the right one here. So I know this is the one, so I'm just going to click properties and events. There we go. Come on. No, details. Yeah. And device instance path. And here you go. It says, let me just move this way. As you can see, it is the PID 1000 and it's the MI01, and then this long number is important as well. You go into this part and then device parameters. Okay, cool. We're in there. And then you just change this one, the flip-flop wheel. That's it. And then you log out and log in again, and then it's changed and it'll work. So, well, I think that's basically it. I'm not at all, to be honest, happy with it, so I'm not going to use it any longer. I'm going to switch to this one very soon. I'm going to review this as well, of course. I've gone from this one. This is the regular Microsoft Wireless Mouse 5000, and it works perfectly and flawlessly. I've had a few of them, and they're very good. And the battery life is just important because it really works for a long, long, long time. And I know I have for this part I've selected a wired mouse, but hey, yeah, that's just the way it is. I think that is actually what I wanted to tell you guys, and I will be back with another video about the Microsoft wireless keyboard. It is with a fingerprint ID sensor, so I'm looking forward to that. Besides that, I just want to say see you next time. Peace.